In this video, I will show you how you can install Fabric on Minecraft 1.21.11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open a browser. Then you need to go to fabricmc.net and press on download. Then you need to select download for Windows and save it to your computer. Then go to, don't worry about this, it's verified. Then go to download Universal Jar and also download it save it to your desktop or whatever you like. Then what I like to do here is to get a mod. So let's go and look for Sodium Modrint. And here, as you can see, Modrint, and install other mod. So go to versions, game version 1.21.11, and install it to your or download it to your computer as well here. This mod is basically just for showing that Fabric newest version is working. Once it's done downloading, you should have 3 files here. So the first step, what you need to do here after you install the Fabric, you need to make sure that Minecraft launcher is completely closed and Minecraft itself, because you get crashed. Then just press on the Fabric installer, select the right version here, newest one, and then simply just press install. After that, you should get this message here. And then you just need to open up your Minecraft launcher. Then go to Minecraft Java Edition, installations, then select modded. And here you should see Fabric Loader 1.21.11. Press on the folder. Then here go to mods. If you don't have mods folder, just press new and just name it mods. And then what you need to do here is to drag these 2 files here with a Java icon here. And then you just need to launch the game. Of course, do not launch with vanilla version. Go to as well modded and just press on Fabric Loader, right? So guys, I'm in the game, and if I go to options and video settings, you can see that Sodium mod is working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.